You referred a paying customer weeks ago, so where's the money? Did it clear? Is it still pending? Could it even get clawed back? The Commissions tab answers all three at a glance. Open Commissions from your partner dashboard, and every payment you've earned lines up in one table. Date, invoice, amount, and rate side by side. Filter by status. Pending, approved, paid, or clawed back. And instantly narrow the list down to exactly the commissions you're chasing right now. Here's the part that builds trust. Nothing's hidden. Each row shows the invoice it came from and the payout batch it's tied to, so you can trace every dollar back to the customer who earned it. And because commissions run for 12 months per referred customer, watch the same invoice keep paying you month after month as your referral stays subscribed. No commissions yet? The empty state nudges you straight back to sharing your link. Keep sharing your link. That's full visibility into every commission you've ever earned, pending, approved, or paid. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.